Hi guys, welcome so much to this channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you the progress of the development of this massive footbridge that is located along Thika Road in Nairobi. I did a video about this footbridge about 3 months ago. So in case you did not watch that video, I'll just leave the link of the video in the description so you can just go and check it out. So this footbridge is located at Allsops area where Outer Ring Road connects to Thika Superhighway, and as you see guys, this bridge is going to help people cross, because at this point it's very dangerous, because since Outer Ring Road was constructed, cars move at a high speed and there are very high chances for people to be knocked down and accidents. So by constructing this footbridge, it will help to reduce that problem. And for me, this is one of the biggest footbridges in Nairobi. I'll just be taking you briefly around to show you the progress. It has taken quite a long time to complete, and by now I believe it's just in its final stages. It's just one of the good projects that are going on in Nairobi, so I'm glad to show you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay with me until the end. It's not a long video. Yeah, so, and also if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And you can also share this video to other people so that they can watch it. I'll really appreciate it. So with that guys, join me until the end and let's watch together.
Hi guys, this is Honel and this is Pitch Vlogs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.